Well, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever the case may be. This is Marty Grunder from Grunder Landscaping Company and the Grow Group. We're talking trucks again this morning. They're so important the way you set it up. And look, let's be honest, my 42nd year in business, I'm 58 years old, folks. My trucks did not look like this for the first 10 years of my business. I was struggling to make it work. Now it's part of what we do. It makes sense. We buy them new. We fully depreciate them. We don't have a mechanic. We have a different mindset here for the equipment. So this is a land keeping truck. This is one of our gardening trucks. I think we have 6 like this. And this crew used to be a truck and a trailer. It was a flatbed 1-ton dump and then a enclosed trailer. Well, during COVID, Seth, our president, was out actually having to work because of how bad it was. And he tried getting one of them through some of the residential neighborhoods that we work on. It's a disaster trying to drive that. So more and more increased focus on our team, making it easier, making it more efficient, making it when we can hire someone, the faster we can get them up and trained. We went with this setup, which has this box on the front, okay? And it's got everything that a land keeping team might need. A wheelbarrow, every kind of spray for box tree moth, hedge trimmers, blowers, pruners, Roundup, everything they need, sprayer. And then on the back side of this is a small little dump body. And it works out great. So we removed the necessity for the 1-ton with the covered trailer. We made it easier to be able to go. It's got, I think those are 6-foot sides. It dumps, there's a tarp. It's a really efficient setup, and it works very, very well for our business. Now, again, I didn't have these when I got started, but this is what you should look for. If you've got an old 1-ton, maybe you can retro the bed to put an iPack on it, or you can put a box over the cab shield. That's what I did when I got started. But how can you get those tools on that truck? How can you create a workplace for your team that's actually working in the field where they have everything that they need and they can be as efficient as possible, and they like coming into work because of the thought you put in to the processes and the culture that they're working in? Think about your trucks, and also have a great day.